Hey everybody, my name is Carter Randro and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at what's been happening with PaLantir and how much Cathy Woods, the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, has been taking full advantage of these lower price points. But before we get into the video, if you could do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. Down in the description, I do have a link to Webull. All new users will get one free stock worth up to $2.50 to $250 after you open up an account, and one free stock that could be worth up to $8 to $1,600 after you deposit $100 in your account with my referral link that's below in the description of this video. Also, Webull fully supports pre and post market hours trading and free contract fee and zero cost option trading. PaLantir opened on Friday, February 26th at $24.20. The low of the day was $22.70 and the high was $24.50 and closed at $23.90 and was down 0.25% for the day, and the after hours went up a little to $24.55, and I'm pretty sure that happened because ARK Invest bought almost 2.5 million shares. Since coming public via direct listing in September, PaLantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, has been on a wild ride. Consider that PaLantir stock has gone from around $10 to a high of $45. But lately things have gotten choppy. Consider that PaLantir stock is now trading at $23.90 with the market capitalization at $45 billion. Of course, a major reason for the sell-off has been due to the recent bearishness in the general markets, especially with high-growth tech operators. It does look like investors are getting nervous about rapidly increasing interest rates. But general market sentiment is not the only factor impacting PaLantir stock. The lockup has expired on PaLantir stock, which means that insiders can sell their holdings, and there has been a loading of shares. The chief operating officer, Shyam Sankar, sold 757,510 shares at prices that range from $24.59 to $29, and he netted over $21 million. Then there were sales of 2.7 million shares from 3 other executives. Such activity is not necessarily unusual. After all, equity compensation is a big part of the Silicon Valley way. When I first predicted Cathy Wood was going to make a big move on PaLantir, she only had about 1.9 million shares. Now she is holding just over 12.5 million shares combined in the ARKK account and the ARKW. She has 7,683,103 in the ARKK account, and she has 4,895,606 in the ARKW account. Cathy said in interviews that during times of a market pullback, she will sell names which are creating losses to buy her highest conviction names. And this essentially tells us how she feels about PaLantir.
Let me ask you about PaLantir, which we just found out you've added to. Can you tell our viewers why you added rather significantly to your stake in PaLantir?
Yes, they reported yesterday, and the stock was down on the report. It's interesting to listen to the CEO. He was speaking our language. He essentially said to investors, you know, we are playing in a massive space here, and we're going to invest aggressively now in order to capitalize on the exponential changes that are taking place here.
Do you take into account, or do you have any type of forecast in terms of rates and adjust the portfolio to that forecast, or do you keep cash there? And ETFs are kind of interesting in terms of the level of cash you're allowed to keep or not keep. So how do you do it? So rates right now, they're moving up. Do you say, okay, we may be in a little trouble here with this valuation reset. They're going to jump up another whatever up to, you know, maybe 2%. Do you get in front of it, or do you just take it as it comes?
No, we use it actually. And so what we've been doing for the last 6 months is expanding the number of names in our portfolio. And we do that as a bull market extends, because in some ways it's a tax efficient strategy. What we will do during a correction, especially a severe correction like the coronavirus crisis presented, we will sell names in which are creating losses now, because again, we've bought them, we've diversified and bought them more recently. Sell those names creating losses to buy our highest conviction names.
So PaLantir is now number 25 on our ARKW account and number 42 on our ARKK account. This is evidence that she is raising her conviction in the stock. I'm not a financial advisor and I make these videos for entertainment purposes only, and I don't think we should be discouraged on what we're seeing happening in the short term in our portfolios right now. I'm personally watching what ARK Invest is doing and looking at this as an opportunity to copy this move into PaLantir. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to check out the Webull promotion. If you open up a new account with my referral link down below in the description of this video and you deposit $100, you get up to 2 free stocks that are worth up to $1,850. And please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios! Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.